Hello, job seeker. I'm Laisha, the editor here at Resume Now, and I'm going to show you how you can create a resume in minutes using our builder so you can start applying today.
Step 1 is to select your favorite template in your favorite color. And don't worry, all of our designs are made by professionals to help you sail past HR software and get read by an actual recruiter. Once you've selected your template, you can create a new resume or upload one you already had. Doesn't matter which option you choose, you still get the same tools and benefits from our builder. Since we're starting from scratch, you have to fill out all of your header information before moving on to the really magical part, your experience section. Here's where our builder can really speed up your resume writing process. Simply fill out the details of your previous employment and then select from our suggested options, which were all written by certified professional resume writers to help you get past at ATS. When you're done, change a few details to make it specific to your experience and do this for all of your roles. Next, onto the education section, which is pretty straightforward. Simply select your degree or diploma and add the school details before moving on. The skill section is also magical like this, so you'll notice the builder offers 4 options you can choose to keep or not, plus a list of more skills to choose from. You can also add your own, eliminate some, and even spell check. And the magic continues with your summary. You can also choose from one of our pre-written options here, or you could write your own. Remember, when you choose one of ours, always change little details so it fits your unique experience. And lastly, you may want to add from our optional sections or add your own unique section to reflect your career, experience level, and unique circumstances. Once you've added all the sections you want, you can change the template you started with, change the color, go back to edit sections, add sections, move them around, spell check, customize everything you want. To download, first create an account with us and then subscribe to one of our membership options. Now you can add resume tracking to your document so you know when the recruiter sees it and download it in any of these file formats.
And that's it. You're ready to apply today and start hearing back from recruiters. Good luck.